Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell down below, and follow me on social media. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So for today's video, I am so excited. I have my very first Jeffree Star box. This one here is the deluxe box. It was $120 and you get 7 items. They also have a mini for $25, you get 3 items. There is the premium for $60, you get 5 items, or you can get the supreme for $175 and you get 10 items. So I am so excited and so thrilled to unbox this here. And it is my first box. I've never had or owned anything from Jeffree Star before. So, oh, I opened it the wrong way, you guys. So I did get a shirt, and I did get it in extra large because I wanted to gift it to my mom. So let's see what it is. It's white. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a long sleeve, you guys. This is beautiful. And it has this like beautiful light blue with pink on the sleeves. And look at the back. It has a snowflake with Jeffree Star's logo. It's super cute. So the next thing in here, this is so adorable. It is this gorgeous little box. How cute. It almost feels like leather. Wow, these are beautiful. These are the very popular Velour liquid lipsticks. There are 6 in the box. Love the packaging. There's definitely a lot of shades that I love. I love the pink ones. This beautiful red one, this one's called Ryland, and Are You Filming is one of my favorite shades in this collection. Love the packaging. It's adorable. So I decided to do full swatches on all the 6 lipsticks so that way you can get an idea on how pigmented they are. So here are all the swatches of all the 6 lipsticks. I must say the consistency and the formula on these liquid lipsticks are amazing. They're extremely pigmented. They're gorgeous, and I really love this shade here as well as this one, and then definitely this one here for the summertime. So the next thing in the box is this right here, and this one here says that it's the liquid lip liner in I Am Nude. Let's open that up. Love all his packaging. Everything is so pretty and pink. Ooh, look at the packaging on this one. Absolutely adore the packaging. And it's in this beautiful like nude color. This goes perfect actually with that liquid lipstick that I just showed you guys. I'm so excited with everything in here, and there's still so much. So the next thing here, it looks like it's a lipstick, and this one is the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Unicorn Blood. I am thrilled. I know that is one of his most popular shades. Oh, look how beautiful this is. It's gorgeous. And I love his packaging. It's all pink and super girly. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. Look how stunning this is, and the consistency on all his lip products is amazing. So the next thing in here is this one, which I am super excited for. It's the Velvet Trap lipstick. It's the bullet lipstick. This one is in the shade Malibu Beach House. Look at the packaging, so cute. Wow, amazing. This is what it looks like. It's like a little bullet. It's matte pink. This is like stunning, gorgeous. And it opens like this. What I love about this lipstick is that it's magnetic, so you just go down and it closes. It's in this beautiful like purple shade. This is gonna be perfect for like the summer or even the spring. And it has Jeffree's logo all around the lipstick. And it's in this beautiful matte color. I don't even want to swatch this one just because I want to take a picture of it first, but I am loving this lipstick so much. So next up I have the gloss, and this one here is in the shade Mouthful, and it's in this beautiful rose gold packaging. And I must say all his packaging is absolutely beautiful, very glossy. And it's super smooth. This one here is very clear. It's like a clear gloss. You can't even see it, but it glides on so nicely. It's not sticky. It's just very glossy. And the last thing in here I am so excited for. It looks like it's a palette. It says Orgy, so I'm guessing it's the Orgy palette, which is one of my favorite ones from his collection that I've seen. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this beautiful palette. This is big. Like, I thought this was gonna be smaller. And it has his logo on it. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful every shade is. These are all matte shades and they are absolutely beautiful. It's all like neutrals, like light browns, darker browns. I am so amazed with everything I got. I am loving this box. Like I said, they do have other 4 sizes available if you don't want to get the Supreme or the Deluxe. They do also have like a mini if you want to just try it. But I highly recommend getting this box because you get like a full-size palette, you get lipsticks, you even get a lip liner, so I totally recommend it. I am loving this box. I really hope you loved my unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!